Hey boys and girls, we're watching the chicken hatch right out of its egg. Here it comes. This is the second one today. You can hear the other one peeping. There it is. How exciting. There's the other one back there. He's been out for about 30 minutes, so he's starting to dry just a little bit. There's the other one. Pretty tired from having to crack that shell open. And we're still waiting on a few others that have a little crack mark on them. Oh. Just trying to get all the way out. It's pretty tiring having to crack open that shell. Whoop. It's almost got it. He's a little bit stuck, but he'll be okay. And this little guy over here is just chirping away. So happy he's gonna have a buddy, or she. All right, I'll give y'all another update in another video.